Dear students, so today we will be having a practice quiz for CISCO SMBS 700 250 practice exam, and this is for module number 7. So module number 7 is related to implementing smart information technology. So the question could be like that one, which data visualization tool is least effective for identifying trends and patterns? So the options are pie chart, scatter plot, time series graph, spreadsheet with raw data. So I think the answer is D. Raw data without visualization lacks clarity and is difficult to interpret for identifying the trends. Second question, how does Cisco Secure X benefit SMBS? So the answer could be C. Secure X helps SMBs protect their systems and data, a crucial aspect of security. Third question is, which cross-selling strategy is unlikely to appeal to budget-conscious MBS? So the answer is prestige offer less value than cost saving and practicality for budget conscious SMBs. The fourth question is, how can CX Cloud contribute to increase customer satisfaction in the retail industry? So out of these four options, the best answer is C. Analyzing feedback and personalizing market directly improve customer satisfaction in retail. The last question is, what is the key factor for successfully implementing smart solution in different industries and verticals? So the answer is C. Adapting solution to industry specific challenges and data insight ensures effective implementation. I have a bonus question for you, and the question is, describe one specific feature or service offered by your company that help SMBs leverage data-driven insight to improve their business operations. Well done, and see you in the next quiz related to module number 8.